India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Don't say then we have no option because we have this Sagarmala report which the government has accepted.
Alex Sequeira, my colleague, is a senior colleague. He happened to be, unfortunately or fortunately for him, in 2011 or prior to that, 1996. This all is mess is because in 1996, whoever was then did not make a proper reports. Because if those reports were made properly, we would have gone, I mean, it would have been sailed smoothly. Unfortunately, my colleague, senior colleague, he was there at 2011, did not initiate anything, Speaker Sir. The port limit should not be shown, Speaker Sir. That is one question, and we are still in favor of not showing, and we got it notified in such a way that we are not going to get the port limits.
CZMP has done the identification based on aerial photos. Our request to him is that you revisit the plan. अशें जर साश्टीन एक discrepancy double जाता, म्हणजे 2 लाख आणि 4 लाख. डिस्क्रिपन्सी इज डबल म्हळ्यार साश्टीकारांनी कितें करपाचें एअरपोर्ट वता मोपा बीच बेल्ट आहा तो कंप्लीट सँड ड्यून करप कितें आनी नॉर्थ गोवान सँड ड्यूनूच ना नुस्तेकार फाल्यां वता तो खोप घालता ती इल्लिगल जाता जो बीच बेल्ट लायता तें इल्लिगल जाता सँड ड्यूनाचे प्रमाणे.
What NCSM is that we have already in our, when we have said, government has taken a stand, that when you have said, send it to you, you have to, even if it is notified, because it is being monitored by different courts, we have to have the opportunity to revisit as what yes, and we have written to them, and that is what we are going to do, Speaker Sir.
व्हडले हॉटेलां नोटिफाय जाल्ले आसा म्हटल्यार हॉटेलांनी जे कन्स्ट्रक्शन केलां तें दिसता तें पण आमचे जितले बारीक बारीक कितें खोपट्यो आसा मिन्स ते जा म्हणटा हें दिसत ना. तशेंच जेन्ना खाजनान आमी वयता तेन्ना खाजनानूय सेम जाल्लें आसा खाजनूय नोटिफाय जाल्लें ना.
We should understand that if there are so many errors, so much of opposition for not so appropriate job done, not done in the state over here, then don't you think that we should cancel NCSEM, this entire contract?
Payments have not been released, and when only after finalization of the plan, the other payments will be released, Speaker Sir. It is not that we had asked for NCSEM. We had asked local NIO which was here. I remember I made in my report also. We asked them, we placed the work order with them. They quoted us something and we placed the work order, but unfortunately they were not going forward, Speaker Sir. That is why we had to cancel. It is not that we had to go.